Brutus the beast. Tackle, tackle.
Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Wee, you again? Hey, you again? I'm gonna go hide behind the crate.
Here, puppy, puppy, puppy.
Brutus likes to drink out of the pool. Has anybody gone in yet?
He was in.
Was he?
And the Tri-Boy have both been in it. You can't have your mama.
Hey, Breezy, you like the break? Boink, boink. Flop. Brutus is funny. Nope, she's moving, guys. Hi, Breeze. Someone come jump on you again. Flop. Mama jumping on the camera person.
Oh, really? Really? Yeah? Yeah?
Puppy attacking breeder. Boink.
Don't bite my nose. No biting nose. No camera. You're very cute.
Pretty girl. Don't get your face stuck in there.
Hi. How are you? What are you doing?
Come on, Brutus. I want to see you go in there. Oh, PC's mom all the way out there. Is your mom out there? Mom is looking for squirrels or whatever on top of the wall.
Squirrels or rats. They got a rat the other day.
That's what you said.
That's my shirt.
Everybody wants to go behind the crate.
Puppy, puppy, puppy.
God. We are tough.
He's trying to pee. Jeez. Yeah, you tell him.
Look at him.
Good boy, you tell him off. Yes, you tell him off. He was trying to pee. What are you doing?
I'm attacking your hair.
You know, you guys make it really hard to take pictures. Yeah, you do. You do.
I say, well, we make for cute video.
What?
I see they have your typical Shire Reserve temperaments.
Yeah. China-Lou.
You tried. Boink.
Thank you.
Brutus. Where's Brutus?
I now have no smudge on my lens.
Which is always helpful. As is that.
Ow! That's my arm.
A piranha puppy takes down breeder. It's a take. It's their first take. First official take. Oh, those guys are too cute.
I have to clean my lens now.
Check this one out. Photographer's helper.
Two helpers. Two helpers. Two helpers.
You guys are a bunch of goofballs. Oh, he's going in. There's Brutus. And he's got 3 in. We got 3. We got 3. Oh, having a hard time getting that last leg in there. Uh-oh. He's flailing.